Hello students, our today's topic is create dummy profit center. What do you mean by a dummy profit center? A central default value in each controlling area that is applied when postings are made to an account assignment object for which no profit center has been assigned. You can establish which objects are not assigned to profit centers by analyzing the postings assigned to the dummy profit center. The dummy profit center is used as a default profit center when a profit center cannot be determined. For that, we can use transaction code KE59 or bypass SPRO SAP Reference Implementation Guide controlling profit center accounting master data profit center create डमी प्रॉफिट सेंटर. प्रैक्टिकली सैप में देखते हैं डमी प्रॉफिट सेंटर कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं. SPRO SAP Reference Implementation Guide controlling profit center accounting master data profit center and create dummy profit center. Click on create dummy profit center. Enter your dummy profit center. हम लेंगे dummy dash ZTRE. Then click on basic data. Enter name, dummy profit center, enter profit center group, and then enter segment here as well. Now press enter and then click on save button. Again click on create dummy profit center, basic data, come back, change profit center, master data, and enter person responsible. Then click on company codes and check our company codes are there or not. Click save. तो ये इनएक्टिव स्टेटस में सेव हुआ है, हमें इसे एक्टिवेट करना है. क्लिक ऑन एक्टिवेट बटन. Close and then come back.